What the marshmallow clip demonstrates is the power of iterative learning, the power of fail fast to learn sooner, or the power of 0.8. At Cisco, they refer, what they mean with the principle 0.8 is that regardless how long-term the project is that you're working on, for example, the second next generation software, that after 3 months, you present the first prototype. It's called 0.8 because no one is expecting a 1.0 prototype where everything is working. But 0.8 means you have something that you can put in front of people, can put in front of stakeholders, and then generate feedback from all these stakeholders that help you to evolve and to shape your idea better and faster with the benefit of that feedback. In practice, the principle 0.8 really means lowering the threshold between thinking and action. And very often, innovation is stifled by us analyzing things to death, by analysis paralysis. And I remember kind of the first time I experienced the power of this principle in my own professional practice was actually as a student. I just graduated from management school in Germany, and I had published my thesis as a book with a title Management and Aesthetic, or Leadership and Aesthetics, something around that. And based on that, a very well-known design professor from Berlin, Nick Röhrig, invited me to co-teach with him a workshop on reinventing economic models, kind of reinventing the economy. And we first met for lunch, and then kind of we started the workshop at 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And then he basically stated the challenge to the students and said, okay, after stating the challenge, at 5 p.m. each team is presenting their first prototypes. When I heard that, I almost fainted, because what he suggested was in violation of just about everything I had learned up to that point, which would suggest that, number one, if you even dare to take on such a big question, that you need to spend months on literature research before you begin to critique kind of these existing models. And another set of months kind of work before you begin to develop your tiny own little idea. And then probably it takes another set of years before you dare to take that idea and to turn that into a prototype. That was not the way he, Nick Röhrig, was thinking. The way he thought was that a prototype is not an implementation of a fully hatched idea into practice, but a prototype is the exploration of a really interesting question in a space of really interesting emerging possibility. And that experience, kind of with that workshop and that collaboration with Nick Röhrig, really set me up on a totally different track and path of development. And that's what this principle 0.8 is all about.